Microwave cake?
Why?
Alright, so we're going to be trying something that I never heard of before until today.
Mighty
and it's
Muffin.
Flapjack's Mighty Muffin Microwave Cake. Muffin. Whatever the fuck it is. What's the difference between a cake and a muffin? Not much. Anyways.
Muffins are more like bread.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, so we've got, first off, we're going to try apple, or cinnamon apple, because if I don't say it right, the road's going to jump down my throat. And it took a minute in the microwave with a quarter cup of water. And we're going to dump it out so you guys can see. It's kind of just, it makes it, you pop it in the microwave. It says 35 seconds for a 1200 watt microwave, but we don't have a 1200 watt microwave, so it took about a minute. Now we're going to give this a go.
Can I try first, please?
Yeah, you can try it first. You got a fork?
Really? Really? There you go. It's chewy and not moist.
It's chewy and not moist.
Cakes tend to be moister than a muffin.
It's good.
Muffins tend to be a little
Good though,
dry.
no.
It smells nice.
You can smell it?
And it's got a very strong cinnamon flavor.
Oh,
I
it's
like that.
pretty dense.
It is dense.
It looks like there might be a nut. Is
love
that
it.
apple or nut?
I think it's apple.
Maybe
You know what it
some-
reminds me of? Like oatmeal that's been sitting out for like long enough to get cold and thick. I don't like that.
It tastes like a muffin though.
I like it.
I don't like it. Smells nice, doesn't taste nice. Alright, that's the end of that one. Alright, next up is,
Double chocolate.
yes, double chocolate. I just noticed it says it's got 20 grams of protein in it.
So they're good for you.
Apparently.
Good.
Huh. It's like right there on the front, right there, says 20 grams protein. I didn't know that. Alright, let's give this one a taste.
Can I have a
First.
What?
Can I try it first?
No, you have to try the other one first. My cat's acting like a freaking
Don't
crazy
tell me what it
cat
tastes
person.
like yet.
I'm guessing it tastes like chocolate.
You know what? It probably tastes a lot like chocolate. It's very dry. It's kind of bitter. Ugh.
Oh, it's got probiotics too.
Oh,
The
I like it.
cake bit's bitter, and you like that? Chew on it for a second. Let it sit in that. Sit on your tongue a little bit. You getting that bitter yet?
Holy crap.
No.
You're getting the bitter. Right in the back of your mouth, bitter.
As part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, it supports immune health. Oh, wow.
What, this is supposed to be, like, good for you?
Gluten-free oat flour, bittersweet chocolate, whey protein isolate, pea protein, cocoa powder, buttermilk, butter, baking soda, baking powder, xanthan gum, sea salt, stevia extract, natural flavor, and probiotic.
Notice, it did not say anywhere in there sugar.
Well, that's what the stevia is. Stevia extract. That's a natural sugar.
Yeah, it's not a very good natural sugar.
You know, for a product that sits on a shelf, it's only got 350 milligrams of sodium. And I say only in the most base term. So much foods these days have, upwards of 500 to
This is true,
thousands.
Please have a basket?
but it's got
I'm
220 calories.
Uh-huh.
What?
Let's
Good.
see.
I like
You
it.
know what, Leroy? I'm glad you like it, because it's good for you.
6 grams of dietary
Ish.
fiber.
It's got iron.
20 grams of
Vitamin
protein.
C.
I'm impressed with
You know
how
what?
healthy. High protein, high fiber, low cholesterol, zero trans fat, probiotics, gluten-free, non-GMO.
You know what? For those people out there that have that need like
Sodium.
that are gluten-free diet. I don't want that shit. Got the gluten-free issues and all that. or on a diet, get them. They're good-ish. Maybe you guys would like them better. I
You know
like
what?
my sweet, nasty.
Throw some
awful
ice
for
cream, whipped cream, chocolate syrup on that, and you wouldn't even
It's
notice.
like, yeah, let's just drown it in all the things that are bad for you. You won't even notice that there's cake there. Anyways,
Oh, there's one.
Leroy is just liking this like too much, but you know what? It's kind of
healthy.
healthy for her. I mean, it's not healthy, but it's not
Bad.
bad.
She could be eating worse things.
Exactly.
Give that chocolate back.
Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
And watching me eat this weirdly.
Head on over to our Facebook page. Head over to our Facebook page and send us a friend request on that. Hey, we got extra videos and things like that. Did I say thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing?
I think so.
Alright, guys. I'm tired. You have a good night. And remember, always ask yourself, why not?